Unlock the full potential of your photo editing with Adobe Lightroom, right here on your Mac. First, decide on your Lightroom subscription. Adobe offers various plans, including the photography plan that bundles Lightroom with Photoshop, or standalone Lightroom subscriptions you can subscribe directly through Adobe's website, or, for some versions, through the Mac App Store for a simplified billing experience. Once you've chosen your plan, head over to Adobe.com and log in with your Adobe ID. Navigate to your Creative Cloud account page. Here, you'll find the download link for the Creative Cloud desktop application. Download the Creative Cloud installer, located in your Downloads folder, and then double-click the installer package to begin the installation process for the Creative Cloud app. Follow the on-screen prompts, entering your administrator password if requested. Once the Creative Cloud desktop app is installed, open it. You'll see a list of all your available Adobe applications. Find Adobe Lightroom or Adobe Lightroom Classic if that's your preferred version, and click the Install button next to it. The Creative Cloud app will now download and install Lightroom onto your Mac. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a notification, and you can then launch Lightroom directly from the Creative Cloud app or from your Applications folder. Upon the first launch, Lightroom may guide you through an initial setup. This could involve signing in with your Adobe ID again, or prompting you to import your first set of photos. Follow these simple steps to customize your initial workspace, and just like that, you're ready to start editing. Navigate the intuitive interface and begin exploring the powerful tools Lightroom offers for organizing, editing, and sharing your amazing photos. Welcome to a seamless creative workflow on your Mac.